Good morning. Our journey through Purvanchal Expressway is on. You would have seen some of the beautiful visuals of the early rising sun and the entry to Purvanchal Expressway. The road is still not completely functionally on in the sense that tolls have not started. So this is going to be a nice journey. We are going to cover about 300 kilometers from here all the way to Baltara Road. So here we go. Purvanchal Highway, as we all know, is an absolutely fresh highway laid out only about a month back thanks to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Modiji had come and landed here. This is one of those highways where you can really land in an aircraft, and we would have all seen those rich visuals. We'll take you to that place shortly. So this is the vehicle of Uttar Pradesh Expressways Industrial Development Authority, UPEIDA, who is responsible for developing cities and satellite townships on both ways of this beautiful 340-kilometer new highway, probably the longest ever highway that India has built. It's already 6-lane, extendable up to 8 lanes. We'll keep talking and moving when we are driving though. Follow me. Friends, we are going to shortly hit the part of the highway which has been converted to a runway. This is exactly where on the 16th of November 2021, Honorable Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed. Yes, I told you earlier also, he landed on this runway, on this highway to inaugurate this piece of beautiful infrastructure which runs straight from Lucknow all the way to Ghazipur, 340 kilometers. Me and my Hyundai Creta should consider ourselves exceptionally lucky to actually hit this runway. Are we going to fly? No, we are going to zip through the next 3.5 kilometers. You'll shortly see the tire marks of the landing aircraft. What you see are tire marks of the aircraft that landed. Should I call this beautiful stretch of expressway the Purvanchal Expressway or the Purvanchal Runway? My God, the feel is enormous. We are standing at the other end of the runway. I would request my cameraman to zoom the space around so they get a feel of the whole place. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. There you see the runway. I have traveled over several countries all over the world, and this would compare easily with the best I have seen. The Dubai-Abu Dhabi highway, some of the prestigious highways in the United States. This compares with the best of the best in the world in terms of world-class infrastructure. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That is a runway strip of Purvanchal Expressway that takes you all the way from Lucknow to Ghazipur, 340 kilometers, and my Creta should be extremely lucky to zip through this runway. Thank you.